Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought very pretty pattern for you which you can use in ladies cardigans, gents and baby sweaters, shawls, caps. From backside it looks like this. This pattern is stretchable like ribbing. For this pattern we need to cast on multiple of 6 stitches plus 5 and plus 2 for edge. This is 16 rows repeat pattern. This pattern starts from wrong side. Let us start our first row now. Slip first stitch. Now we will start repeat pattern. Knit 2 stitches and then purl 1. Knit 2 stitches, purl 1. Repeat these 3 stitches till the edge stitch. Last purl 1 for edge stitch and onwards all odd rows like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15 repeat as first row. Let us start our second row. Slip first stitch and then purl 2 stitches and knit 1 stitch. Repeat these 3 stitches till end. Purl 2 and knit 1. And onwards all even rows except 8th and 16th row repeat as second row. After completing our second row, repeat 3rd, 5th and 7th row as row first and 4th and 6th row as second row. So friends, after completing our 7 repeat rows, we will continue our 8th row. Now we have completed 7 rows. Let us begin our 8th row now. In this row we will learn how to knit leaf pattern. Slip first stitch and then purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now knit 1 stitch, purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Let us see how to get leaf pattern now. Here we have to take 7 loop stitches. First loop stitch on 7th row below this stitch. Now second loop stitch on 6th row below this stitch. Now third loop stitch on 5th row below this stitch. Fourth stitch on 4th row below this stitch. Now 5th stitch on 3rd row below this stitch. 6th stitch on 2nd row below this stitch and last stitch below this stitch. Knit this stitch from back loop of the stitch. In this way we have taken 7 loop stitches. Now we will pass these 7 stitches one by one over this stitch. As I am knitting with 2 threads, I am passing 2 threads at a time. But if you are knitting with 1 thread, then pass 1 thread only. As you can see, after passing these 7 loop stitches, we get this leaf pattern. Now purl next 2 stitches, knit 1 stitch, again 2 purl stitches, 1 and 2. After these 5 stitches, on 6th stitch again knit leaf stitch, repeat pattern till the end. After completing 8th row, repeat 9th, 11th and 13th row as row 1. Similarly, row 10th, 12th and 14th as row 2. After completing 15 rows, we will continue our last 16th row. We have completed our 15 rows. Now we will knit last row 16th row, slip first stitch and then purl 2 stitches, and on 3rd stitch knit leaf pattern as instructed before. Now purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2, next knit stitch, purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2. After these 5 stitches, knit again leaf pattern, complete row with repeat pattern. Here we have completed our last row. After few repeats, your pattern will look like this. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this pattern. And if you are watching my video for first time, then click on the subscribe and bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching my video, friends. Bye.